Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve these nails, just keep watching. I'm going to be using the Salon professional dipping system. And the first thing in the kit are nails. They're not full nails, they're only nail tips. Once you glue them on, you can shape them how you want them. The next thing in the kit is brush on gel. It is basically a glue. Now we have the activator that will activate the dipping powder once it's on your nail. It comes with this container for the dipping powder, and it also comes with a sponge. This is the dipping powder. This is what you will be dipping your nail into. The last thing is 2 extra brushes, in case your other brush hardens and you can't use it. I'm going to be using these nails instead of the one that came in the kit. These nails are full nails and already shaped. You don't have to do this. You can use the nails that already came in the kit. To glue them on, I'm going to be using the Kiss Max Speed nail glue. Now I have all the nails glued on and I'm ready to start dipping. I am going to be dumping all of this powder into the little container that came in the kit. I'm going to be using the brush on gel, and I'm going to paint that on my nail. After the nail has been painted with the gel, I'm going to dip my nail into this dipping powder. I'm going to let it sit for a couple seconds, and then I'm going to remove my nail and I'm going to knock off the extra powder. I'm going to move on to the next nail and repeat the same steps while the other nail I just did dries. Now I'm going to be going back to the first nail I did and taking the sponge and wiping off the extra powder that was on the nail. I'm going to be repeating the same steps I just showed to do all of my nails. Okay, so this is what my nails look like after 3 coats. I can already tell that they're a lot thicker and they feel way more durable. They feel like they're gonna last and not fall off in a couple of days. Now I'm going to be using this attachment that came with my nail sander, and I'm just going to be using it to remove all the powder out of my cuticles. Okay, now it's time for the activator. I'm going to be painting a couple coats of the activator on my nails. Now I'm going to be taking this file that came with the kit that I forgot to show earlier, and I'm just going to file and make sure there's no bumps or anything off my nail and make sure my nail stays true to its shape. Now I'm going to be using the pink side of the file, and I'm going to be using that to smooth out my nails and make them perfect. I have plenty left over of the activator and the gel to do more nails. The powder, I have probably enough to do one more set of nails, so I'm probably going to have to buy more powder, which I've seen you can buy more powder in different colors and everything, so I'm going to check that out. Overall, I really like this kit, and I'm definitely going to be using these products to do my nails again. Now I'm going to be using my Gelish LED gel light and my Gelish nail polish to paint my nails.
Alright, 22 or 27.
My camera died and I didn't get all of the footage of me painting my nails, but I definitely will be doing a video later on all about painting my nails. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will be back with more videos.